different styles. Oh, okay, so it's circle, huh? Okay, so as you guys could see, the rice cake here, it's shaped in circle, right? So that represents the eternity, right? So it never God's blessings for us. It's never ending. It keeps going, you know, and so that's what that represents. And so we're offering back to God for the blessings that He blesses us. Oh, okay. 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 So the way how they're kind of like worshiping God and through this traditional dances is that, you know, earlier I talked about the Lahu history. We practice a different ways of worshiping, whether to God or we also practice like shamanism, things like that. But this one's strictly to the sky god. And again, the Lahu people used to practice different worships, and they also worship different gods. But this one's strictly to the sky god. Okay. So again, this is another way of thanking God for His blessings throughout the year, because we rely on the agriculture, and so what that means is that we rely on the rain, the sun for the crop to grow, and so it's a way of like giving back to God. Okay. So what we believe is that long time ago, earlier I talked about that we didn't have no script, right, in our language. And so the reason why we didn't have the script in the beginning is that, God has provided the script for us in the beginning, using the rice cake that you guys see here on the tree. And so the reason why we lost the script is because the Lahu people got hungry. They didn't have anything to eat, so they forgot about the script that was written on the rice cake, and so they ate it, and they no longer have the script after that. Ci nasio a tutti ci. Okay. Huh? Okay, so what I just heard is that the way how the dancing here is that when they stomp on the ground, they're actually like killing the weeds so that they don't overgrow and take over the crops. So it's a way of like destroying and removing the weeds from the crops. So this is a different style from the one earlier. chỉ tem bỏ ha chỉ tem vào thứ tỷ chi chỉ tỷ chi à thứ tỷ chi về rồi cái trò chỉ tỷ chi This is another way of showing how to, again, they're trying to kill the weeds. Again, pretty much the same thing, but it's another way of doing that to remove the weeds from the farm. So Idor is asking if any one of you out there would like to come and participate, you're welcome to do so, okay? So anybody is welcome to come and try it out. All right, looks like they're changing around a bit. Here comes another style. And so this is the last performance of the Lahu traditional dance. Okay, and this is also the last style out of all the 33 styles that we mentioned earlier. So this is the very last one. So we do have one more song to perform right after this, okay? So we're almost done. Please hang in there, okay? So we got one.